G'day everyone, we're at it again. We're at Lake Lyell, beautiful as it is. So what we have planned today is maybe do some fishing, a catch and cook even. But we're not very good at fishing, so maybe look and cook. And if we don't catch any fish, we're going to cook up some snags and have a little fire, set up a bit of a day camp, and just relax in the beautiful Aussie bush. So that's the plan. We've got our yaks. We got Jan. Hey Jan. Oh, I'm Pete, by the way. Pete, Jan, Esky Thingo, and a pile of water and wilderness and stuff to go and explore. So she should be a great day. Maybe you'll catch some redfin and some trout. Even cook it up on our little barbecue stove fire thing. Look, Jan's picking up the rubbish already. Bloody buggers leaving their rubbish around. And so yeah, it's going to be fun. Ah, people are fishing over there, so we'll see if they're biting. Anyhow, that's what we're doing. See us on the water. How you doing?
Alright, well.
Pretty good. You having any luck?
No, not one.
Not one?
Yeah.
Oh well, bloody hell, eh?
4 hours.
Yeah. I hope you bought some beers and cuppa and stuff with you.
Oh, I've got a cuppa.
Oh well, it's a good day to be out anyhow, eh?
Yeah.
See any platypus?
Not yet.
There's heaps around.
Yeah. Basically.
Yeah. Alright, good luck. You saw a platypus? Yeah? Cool.
Is that it? Where we're going? Is that breakfast camp?
I don't know. I think it might be back there.
Yeah, it was a platypus.
Yeah.
I was only about 5 meters from it.
Yeah, right.
I was paddling because I'm like, what is that thing? I thought it was maybe an eel
Yeah.
riding on top of the water, biting a fish or something. And then it did the platypus. Stupid, but I didn't think that was going to play.
It did the platypus.
It did the platypus. And I didn't expect that at this time of day. No, lunchtime.
Alright, I think breakfast camp's back there. We've come up too far.
Yeah, I just did.
Do you want to go back there and set up and then go for a paddle and a fish?
Okay.
I'm just looking for a place that we stop for a day camp sometimes. The lake is really low, so it all looks a little bit different. But I think it's just over here. This'll do anyhow. Looks like someone's been digging here. Bloody hell. Right, somebody's dug a hole here for some reason. Only thing I can think of, maybe they're after bait. Worms or something. It's a bloody big hole though. If you're digging around for worms and stuff, try and put the stuff back. If anyone here remembers Harry Butler, you always put the log back. And if you dig a bloody big hole in the ground, fill it in. Fossicking or whatever, fill it in. It's unsightly, it's nearly as bad as, or is as bad as just leaving bloody rubbish laying around. Try and leave the places you found it. I think this is where we camp. But for some reason there's a big bloody hole here.
Is it a grave?
No.
Good.
Here's another one. Why would you do that? Fill the bloody hole back in. Not only is it unsightly, it's a tripping hazard.
Jigs. I didn't bring a lot of stuff, like the really big fish and stuff.
Yeah. Alright. We can't catch a fish with all that stuff.
Not good fishes.
We're not good fishers. Alright. Well, we're going kayak fishing. Well, I am. First time being kayak fishing in these kayaks, so they're not really set up for it. But we got some gear. We'll go and have a go. So if I pull in a big one, I'll probably get capsized. Alright, here's the rod. That's what I'm going to try and use. And over there, I think I saw a fish move. So, I'll give it a go. Getting used to fishing in this touring kayak will be a thing. We don't have rod holders or anything. So I'll give her a flick and see how I go. Alright, so the maiden cast. I didn't bugger that up. So cool. 1/4 stick. Bit of practice for actually when I do catch a fish. So that's what I'll do. Whoops. Alright, I'll head back and get a fire going and cook up some sausages. We didn't catch any fish. Well, Jan's still out there fishing, but I don't think we're going to catch any fish. So I'll get a fire going on our little grill stove and cook up some sausages. We got a new and bigger grill. Haven't used it yet, but we've used the smaller one. These are really cool and cheap. So I'll just get this burning up a bit. So it's got lots of coals. Once all the coals build up, it'll be perfect for cooking some sausages on. Starting to get a little bit chilly now too, so when Jan gets back from kayaking, she'll have a nice warm fire to hang out at. Hey darling, how you going?
Good, how's the fire going?
Oh yeah, it's getting some coals up. If you start heading back around now, I think we might have some sausages on the go really when you get here.
I'm starting to feel a bit chilly too, so fire looks good. Okay.
Alrighty, beauty.
Got cool quick.
Yeah, the sun just went.
Yeah.
Come warm yourself.
Good fire.
Oh, they're crappy sausages. Where'd you get them from?
Coles.
Fucking crap.
I mean Woolies. No, Woolies. Coles, I don't
They've
know.
got no skin on them.
Hmm.
Don't buy sausages from Woolies, they're crap. They break apart like they're made out of bloody wet paper bags or something like that.
That sausages.
Yeah, they're just going to break apart. Oh, well, they should taste alright. As long as they don't break apart and disintegrate. What's that you're putting on there, Jan?
It's Mercy Valley cheese. It's pickled onion. I forgot the barbecue sauce I'm compromising.
Mercy Valley cheese and tomato with crappy Woolies sausages. Alright, you ready to eat, Jan?
Yeah. Hungry.
Okay, I think that's ready here.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get into it. Tukka.
At the fire, I could get another cuppa
Yeah, okay.
after this, after I eat this.
Grab the water, Jan.
Thanks.
Or cuppas.
Should have put it down. White-bellied sea eagle.
Did you see one?
I see one right
Oh.
now.
A white-bellied sea eagle.
Yeah.
Oh, the ducks freaked out.
I suppose you would.
The wattle's about to go off its nut. Come back here in a week and this whole river will be lined with yellow blossoms. Today that just started to happen. Oh, well, that'll be dark soon. Well, it's dark already. So I'll just go and put this fire out. Wouldn't even know we were there. Wouldn't know we had a fire. No fire scar at all, just a little bit of ash. It's a pretty good way to do things. Alright, paddle back in the dusk. Beautiful time to paddle. Alright, this is going to be a beautiful paddle getting back. Oh, here we are, back where we started from.